Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can double space in Microsoft Word. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to select the whole paragraph. Once you select it, then you need to click on the right mouse cursor, and here you have an option that is paragraph. Click on that option, and here you can see the line spacing. Now you can see that it is single. You simply need to click on that, and here you have different options. You simply need to select the double and hit on enter. So you can see that now the line spacing is double, and if you want you can change to 1.5, at least, exact, multiple. You can select any according you can select any of the option according to your choice. So this is a process by which you can double space in Microsoft Word. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.